Hey everyone, and welcome to our POV review and test drive of the all-new 2022 Nissan Pathfinder. As you can see, this is a very exciting product for Nissan. This is, of course, their 3-row large SUV, and it has gone through a complete new redesign this year. So as you can see up here in the front, we have a completely different fascia, their new V-Motion grille, their new emblem, full LED headlights. This model has really nice looking 20-inch gray alloy rims, and this particular model also has the two-tone roof. And then if we look at the back, that's what this looks like. Completely new look back here as well. It's a little bit more slender, but also has a more rugged look to it. And let's go ahead and get inside. So here's what the key fob looks like. You can unlock it like this. There is sensors on all 4 door handles, which is quite nice. Let's go ahead and get in. And as you can see, we have a completely different interior as well for the all-new Pathfinder. We even have new tones upon startup, as well as different things throughout the cabin. So this is a complete ground-up redesign for the Pathfinder. As you can see, we have a really, really nice leather-wrapped steering wheel. I love the design. We have the new emblem. We're also going to have this gauge cluster right here on this model. This isn't the fully loaded Platinum model. That would get a digital gauge cluster. See, we have these nice vents, leather wrapping here and here, as well as down here in this area. Got 4 fully automatic windows. As far as the storage is concerned, we have a lot of it. So we have the center console area, we have cup holders here, more storage here. There's also a pass-through area right here. We have storage here, and here is your glove box. And you see we do have the Bose audio system for this model. We also have the panoramic moonroof. And then we're also going to have the new display. This is a large improvement over the previous generation model for the display. A lot more tech focused. And we're also going to have our own climate controls, heated seats. And anyway, if you want to watch our full review, we have a lot more of the details about this all-new Pathfinder. Go check it out. It is on our channel. Please also subscribe to Car Confections. And if you're not watching with headphones, please go ahead and do so. But anyway, I'll go ahead and shut up, and let's go ahead and get to the drive portion. We do also have a new electronic shifter, just pull back for drive. We also have brake hold. Now that right there was our auto start stop. It is quite smooth for this vehicle, and it does operate if you have the climate controls on, low, or if it's not too hot outside. And as far as the engine is concerned, we're going to have a 3.5 liter V6 engine. The big deal with this model is that we now have a 9-speed automatic transmission on board. So as you will see throughout this test drive, we now have that more traditional driving experience that I'm sure a lot of you all will appreciate. It's also paired to front wheel drive or optional all-wheel drive. This particular model does just have the front drive option, and then as far as your fuel economy is concerned, that's going to come in right around the average for the entire segment. As you can see, it is front drive on this model. So if you try and accelerate quite hard in the rain, you will have a little bit of tire spin for this. The engine has quite a bit of pep to it. It's not super fast or anything, but it's definitely adequate, and the 9-speed automatic transmission helps worlds over the previous generation model. And of course, as you would expect, this is a very, very comfortable riding vehicle. I mean, this is what this vehicle is made for, is just kind of highway cruising like this with you and all of your family. And that's really what this Pathfinder just excels at. And if you do cross the center line like that right there on a country road, it does go ahead and shake the steering wheel. It has the haptic feedback, so instead of an annoying beep like typical cars would have, it just kind of shakes the wheel. It still makes a little bit of noise, but it is less obnoxious than a beeping noise. Alright, and that's going to conclude this POV review and drive of the all-new Nissan Pathfinder. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe. We have tons more automotive content on the channel, and we'll catch you next time as we sample more of the latest automotive delicacies.